Hi everyone, this is Junko. Today I am making some simple side dish using wasabi or yuzu kosho, which is a yuzu pepper, and to make it some spicy side dish. And today I'm using broccoli, but you can use any other green leafy vegetables like spinach or kale. So I hope you like it. Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna steam the broccoli. Okay, so here I have a big bowl and I am mixing up soy sauce. And something called yuzu pepper, yuzu kosho. And this definitely has a yuzu flavor to it. And if you can't find this at your store nearby, then you can use wasabi instead.
Now you add broccoli to the sauce and mix it up. If you don't want any heat to this dish, then instead of wasabi or the yuzu pepper, you can actually use something called ponzu. Ponzu is a citrus soy sauce, and it adds, again, citrusy flavor to it without the heat. So if you have any children, they do not appreciate something spicy, then I would suggest trying ponzu. And add lemon zest to finish it off. And here's our broccoli with yuzu pepper.
So we have here some Japanese basic condiments that I wanted to introduce you to. This is just a regular soy sauce. It's a low sodium soy sauce. It's in a refill package. But usually whatever that's in a green package is low sodium. But I like to have this low sodium soy sauce in my pantry all the time. And this is it's not a generic brand, but it's a ponzu, which is a citrus soy sauce, and that goes really well with your salad, meat, or sometimes fish. So this again is a very, very nice condiment to have. And ponzu has a little bit of a yuzu flavor to it, citrus flavors. Yuzu is a Japanese citrus. It's a yellow small citrus, just like in this picture right here. And that has a flavor of combination of lime and grapefruit. And I wish I hope that you would give it a try. So ponzu, again, you may want to have it in your pantry. And then this is a yuzu pepper, which comes in a different packaging as well. Sometimes it comes in a little glass jar. And yuzu pepper is something that we use today, and it goes really well with soy sauce, and you can use it again on meat, fish, or veggie. So I hope you will give it a try. And this is just a regular wasabi. Again, I use wasabi and soy sauce to make it a simple sauce. So it's always handy to have. Anyway, I wanted to introduce you to some basic Japanese condiment, and then I hope you want to give it a try. And for some reason you can't find any of those condiments, just text me or email me and I can help you find it. Thank you.